Hello folks, Commodore Brendan Hogan here. Going forward, this is something we're gonna try and do for you and put together some video updates of the progress of the construction on the new Shore Acres Yacht Club. What we have here is our basic shell that's been erected. Most of you have seen it through the summer, and we intend to do a quick video tour so everybody can get a look and measure the progress. All right, so we're inside the clubhouse for the first time, our little walk around here. So stick with us while we work through our first video. Off to the west side of the club here, what you're gonna see come to fruition over the next couple months is that's where our bar is gonna be located. Okay, and now here we are on the west side of the building. This is where our bar will be, and behind us, you'll notice, is going to be our liquor cabinet, which is great. The bartender's no longer going to have to run across the entire building to get a new bottle of rum for a painkiller. Right over here is going to be what we believe is the men's room, and that's a similar location to where the previous bathrooms were in the old building. As we come over to the east side of the building, okay, we'll have our ladies' room over here, and both of these bathrooms will be fully ADA compliant and accessible.
Alrighty.
All right, and thanks for joining me now on the furthest east side of the building. This is going to be our big, beautiful new kitchen. I expect to see some changes here to what you see structurally. I know they're looking at doing a couple other things to make it more accessible to everybody. But I think everyone can agree that this is going to be a much better setup than we had previously. And then back here we have what's going to be our slop area. With a bunch of storage for dry goods as well. So if you're wondering about the storage, we should have plenty of room in here and be able to clean the whole kitchen right into that area. Okay, and then just so you know, this will be where the stairs and elevator come up and onto the second floor, and we'll have an equipment storage over here, our elevator, and our beautiful stairs.
Okay.
All right, and then we just wanted to give you an opportunity to see our beautiful southern exposure on the second floor looking out at the bay. Just want to take this opportunity to remind everybody, while we're here doing this for you, our intent is to give you, be able to demonstrate our progress throughout the rest of the project. However, it's imperative that all of our members, as welcome as they are here, stay away from this ongoing construction project for insurance purposes as well as overall safety. Okay, and over here we'll have more storage. This is likely to be mechanicals for our HVAC. And then over here will be the bathroom for the second floor. All right, we'll have elevator access as well as the steps coming up here. And we'll have the steps wrapping around and continuing to go to the second floor. We appreciate you taking the time to look at this message, and we welcome any and all feedback from everybody all the time. Stay tuned, we will release more updates to our video blog as progress continues.